Grab an end.
Ready?
Go ahead, Kenzie.
Ready?
Pick it up.
1, 2,
Pick it up.
3. Who is that, Addie?
It's so hot in here.
Who's that?
That was a good one.
Uncle Shane, give him a hug,
You
you
had a heart
nuthead.
attack there, young girl. Lucky skips it all. Oh, Lucky.
Wasn't that a cute idea?
Another one.
Cutie.
Oh God, Eddie.
Okay, Lucky, that's enough, buddy. That's good, Lucky.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Uncle Shane. We're glad you're home. Help him out now, Mackenzie. Help him out.
Really, you want to help Mom?
Yeah.
That's a long ways down there.
Ready? 1, 2.
Now give me a hug, damn it. Oh, yeah.